Hello everyone, welcome back again. Let us start the summary video of chapter number 13, Electricity and Circuits. Electricity means it is a flow of electric charge which provides energy or power to run electrical like fan, tube, bulb and electronic appliances like TV, washing machine, etc. Now, there are few components. What are they? Cell, bulb, switch. Cell is an electronic device which used as the source of electricity to run the electronic appliances. Cells have two terminals, one positive terminals and another one negative terminals, and the combinations of cells known as battery. There are two types of cells, primary cell and secondary cell. Primary cell, where the chemical reaction change the chemical energy to electrical energy, which is irreversible. As a result, the primary cell cannot be recharged. Example, in wall clock, toys, radios, we are using this type of cell. Secondary cell, the second one. In the secondary cell, the chemical reaction that convert the chemical energy to electrical energy is reversible. So, the secondary cell can be recharged and used repeatedly. Thus, it's termed as the accumulators or storage cell. Example, in laptop, in mobile, we are using this type of cells. Next is electric bulb. Electric bulb, which is covered by a transparent glass cover and it encloses a thin coiled metal wire which called filament, and it's connected with the metal base which called terminal. When this filament hot and glows light. Next one is switch. Switch is a electrical device which we are using to control the electricity. Switch can make or break the circuit. So when the switch is in on position, electricity can flow through it where it's forming a closed circuit. But when the switch is in off positions, electricity does not flow through it by forming an open circuit. Now, torch, which is a portable electric gadget which we are using as a simple circuit example. Now come to the second part of this chapter, that is circuits. What do you mean by circuits? Circuits means a closed path along which electric current can flow properly. In the circuit, there are two types of circuits, closed circuit and open circuit. Now come to the second part of this chapter, circuits. A closed path along which electric current flows, that's called circuit. There are two types of circuit, closed and open. In this circuit, there are few components, cell, bulb and switch, which are connected together with a wire. If the circuits have no break, then we call it is a closed circuit. If the circuit is not continuous, then we call it is an open circuit. Closed circuit can flow the electricity, but open circuit cannot flow the electricity. Now, types of substances. Based on the conductivity of substances, there are two types of substances. First is conductors, the substance which can the electric current through it, that's called conductors. Example, copper wire. Which substance does not pass electric current through it, that's called insulators. Example, wood. Now, as we know that in our everyday life we are using conductors as well as insulators. Children, all of you know that electricity is very dangerous. So, while you are using electricity, please be careful. About the safety precautions of this chapter, already we have discussed in the class. So, dear students, please practice the chapter properly. Take care and keep learning.